Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Focus is equipped with front fog lights and they are not working. This video should apply to third generation of Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now this is a 2014 and there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure the location of the fuse remained the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is under the glove box. I will show you now how to access it. I will turn on the flash on my phone. Okay, so there is this cover down here which has to be removed, and you have two of these black screws, one here and one on the opposite side. You just want to unscrew that and pull it down. Okay, this is how they look, and the other one as well. And once that is done, you can just gently pull down this cover and you will get access to the fuse box and fuses back there. Okay, now I will also add my Ford Focus is not equipped with fog lights. I'm just using it to demonstrate the location of the fog lights fuse. And the fuse will be located just here where is a missing fuse on my vehicle. Okay, now if this fuse is proves to be good for you, then you want to dig a bit deeper. First you want to make sure that the light bulbs are not burned out, then you want to check the fog lights switch, and then you want to check the wiring towards the light bulbs. Especially around the socket, you want to clean the sockets and check the electrical connector at the socket. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.